Hey guys, and welcome to another video. I'm here today at Energy Powersports checking out the 2021 Sea-Doo models. Today we're going to be looking at the GTI and GTR models for 2021. So I've got my friend Neil here from Energy Powersports. He's going to kind of go through the lineup that we have here. So let's get started. Neil, what are we looking at for this first model right here?
This is the GTI that you can get in the 90 or in the 130. This is the step up from if you're in Spark or Trix, something a little bit smaller and you're looking to make that step up. This has the Polytech Gen 2 hull, so quite a bit more stability. Also comes with the link system embedded, so you can kind of get yourself started with a gas caddy, coolers, those types of accessories. This doesn't have a lot on it, but when you want to make the step up to a little bit more, we have the SE beside us. Now this has the reboarding ladder on it. You also get the embroidered Sea-Doo in the back here. Sound system. You still get the link system on it as well. All 3-seaters. Some room for your phone. You can add a USB as well. Mirrors, lots of storage as well. And this model you can get in 130 and in a 170.
And if you want to have a little bit more power, what are we looking at over here?
Well, you're making the step up to my left on a GTR 230.
And what features do we have with this one? So it looks like we've got sound system included.
So this is just like a GTI SE model, but you're getting a little bit more power to it. You're getting some premium colors as well. You still get the link system at the back, spots for your phone, lots of storage, audio as well, but you got that 230 performance that you're going to see out of this motor.
So Neil, how much roughly are we looking at for the models that we're looking at here on the floor? Starting with this one down here.
This one down here, this is the 130 GTI. This one lists at $12,499.
Perfect. And then the middle one here?
This is the GTI 170 with sound. This one lists for $15,499.
Perfect.
And our GTR 230 with the sound system, this one starts list at $16,799.